Hi everyone, welcome to Minehead and Happy New Year! So today I'm here in Minehead to take the plunge and start the new year off with a splash. I've come over here to do the New Year's Day dip organised by St Margaret's Hospice. Money raised today will be going towards the very valuable work that St Margaret's Hospice do here in Somerset. I just met a lovely couple of viewers from Austria of all places. They came over to me and said they recognised me from YouTube. They watched my YouTube channel over in Austria. That was just so lovely to meet you guys. Sorry I didn't get your names. So yeah, if you've not seen my channel before, I'm Louise from Southwest Sundays and I run a YouTube channel covering the whole of the southwest of England. I go different places, do all sorts of different videos from around the southwest. Try to do them every week as well, so do look out for that. Subscribe if you'd like to, and there'll be content from all around the southwest of England. So I pre-registered, but I'm just going to go and pick up my wristband now to confirm my registration. The crowds are really gathering here now. There's some lovely volunteers from the RNLI there on duty in case anybody gets into difficulty. And there's a really lovely gathering. There's going to be hundreds of people here to do this New Year's Day dip. You can smell bacon butties cooking in the air. There's a food van, and as part of the entrance fee we get a free bubble hat, and we also get a hot drink from the van afterwards to help us warm up. Oh, just looking at that sea, in a few minutes time I'm going to be in there. I don't know if I'm ready for this, I'm getting cold feet about it. But it should be great fun. I did the lime lunge last year, but this year I'm here in Minehead to do this St Margaret's Hospice dip. Well, I'm going to go and attend the safety briefing, and it is really time to get in that water and take the plunge.
So measure is relax. Try to control your breathing. Use your hands to stay afloat like you would in a pool. Your legs might sink, but that's going to be okay. Spread your arms, float, we'll come and get you. It'll all be fine, okay? Just take it easy, relax. How's it fast?
Oh my goodness, here we go. Let's go. Oh, this sand is cold. It's freezing in the sun. I'm just about to go in the water. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh my goodness. I can't feel my feet. Oh, it's brilliant though. It's so invigorating. Some brilliant costumes here in the water. The sea is about 8 degrees at the moment, but it feels like freezing temperature under my feet. The legs are fine, but my feet are absolutely frozen. Lovely number of spectators on the beach as well to cheer us on. People are starting to get out quite quickly now. Not so many people left in here. I'm quite acclimatised to now. My feet are not so cold. It's really nice actually, I'm really enjoying it. Happy New Year everyone! Just a few brave souls left in here. I'm going back in for another dip. It's really lovely. Whoa, look at that wave! Oh, that was absolutely brilliant. Just before I go and collect my hot drink, I just want to say thank you so much to all the volunteers who made this possible, and to everybody who came out to support as well. It was absolutely fantastic. I loved it. Want to do it again. I want to get back in there. It was so good. So, how did you find that, Paula?
Oh, I absolutely loved it. Absolutely great.
Yeah? Would you do it again?
Oh, always. We come down most weekends anyway.
Oh, brilliant. Oh,
So,
right.
yeah,
Are you a cold water swimmer? Do you go out often?
We come down every week with the with the jellyfish. So a group of us from Taunton and around.
Oh, brilliant.
So yeah, no, it's brilliant.
Do you wear a wetsuit or do you go without a wetsuit?
No, I go in
You go in with just a costume.
just a costume.
Oh, brilliant. Well done. Thanks so much. And Happy New Year.
And you, thank you.
Happy New Year, everybody. Have a brilliant 2024. Just enjoying a nice complimentary cup of coffee now to finish off this lovely New Year's Day morning. It's been absolutely brilliant. And again, thank you to everybody who made it possible and for all the work that St Margaret's Hospice do.